Okay, we're camping. We're in the Cybertruck. It's our first time. We had a whole setup, so instead of spending $2,750 on a Cybertruck tent from Tesla, we actually just went on Amazon and we purchased this $299 tent. We had 2 mattresses and we ended up sticking with this one because it was less noisy. I'll show you how noisy the other one was.
It sounds like a fucking haunted house.
Okay, hold on. I'm still at the end, so now I gotta scoot back.
It sounds like balloons. Like you're carrying a bunch of
I'm trying to go slow. No, I don't think we should go camping at all.
It's a sofa.
And we got a blow-up sofa bed, which was much more comfortable than 2 chairs. I set up the bar while my husband set up the Cybertruck tent. The setup was easy. It took less than 30 minutes. This is something that you can do by yourself. There were people that offered to help. Of course, they didn't want to put down their beer to help, but they did help position it. That I would say that you do need somebody to help you position this in place so you can strap down the tent on the side of the Cybertruck. Everybody has their tents out, but our tent is like this. Look at that. This is the Joy Tutus Cybertruck tent. It's waterproof and it holds a mattress, an air mattress for up to 2 people. It was really spacious and there's windows in here that you can actually zip and unzip. This is an air mattress queen with the foam inside that we also purchased on Amazon. It was about $100. It's easy to just blow up. This is the Intex 2-in-1 inflatable pull-out sofa bed in a queen size. This was a comfortable sofa bed and we purchased it on Amazon. We also used a tarp to protect the sofa bed. The tent can be used in different ways. We pulled out the awning for sun protection and it was a nice, comfortable setup. We set the ambiance with candles and we have a chair and we are ready to camp. This is stupid. So in the Cybertruck, we're still able to get light from the truck and get electricity to charge our phones. But I'm gonna go to bed now. The windows are closed. But I still hear people. So we ended up doing like all this is like blankets from there. Chill flight. Well, it's not soundproof and a lot of light came through. I wish it was a little darker so we could have slept in a little. We stayed warm because we used the power from the Cybertruck to keep our heated blanket on. Part of glamping is taking care of your skin, so I use a cleansing sheet for my face. I made my husband do this as well. Then I add a little makeup. If you have a female in your life and they want to learn how to do a 5-minute camping makeup, this is the video for them as well. Then we brush our teeth, we do it camping style with a bottle of water, and look at how beautiful it is out here. It's just gorgeous. I'm so glad that we came out here, and this is in Northern California. Everybody's breaking down. The party's over. That was a fun party for one night. There's something to do. Successful trip. Everybody's saying goodbye. Oh, made it.
You guys made it. Thanks for camping with us.
It was a good time. We did all this camping out here. It was fun. Okay. All right, we're done camping. This was a beautiful spot, and I think I'd come back here. So let's run the numbers. We spent $300 on the tent for the Cybertruck, and this got 4 stars. The mattress was $100, 4 stars, and then the sofa bed was $70, 4 stars. So total we spent about $500, and that's not including the tarp for the ground for the sofa bed. I would say this is a good deal compared to spending $2,750 for a Tesla Cybertent. This Cybertruck is polished, it's not a wrap, but this does wrap up this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.